Another day and another adventure unfolds. If you are into trekking, sightseeing, and swimming in fresh cold water, well, we have something that could open your eyes into the beauty of the falls. The trekking begins. The walking to the falls takes around 15 to 20 minutes, but once you are near the falls, you will be able to hear the gushing of the waterfalls. The path on the way to the falls may be muddy, but only if it is rainy season. But if it is summer or dry season, you won't have to worry about the mud. Once you've reached the falls, you will have this feeling inside you, and you'll just be like, "Aw, this is a work of nature." Falls before your eyes, falling and trickling into streams. Also, picnic tables surrounding the area. It is a recipe of enjoyment and a fun family and barkada gathering. Thank you very much for watching.